Andrew Holness do some foolishness. He not listen to people. Most of the time, I tell you this boy, because I know a real leader. The qualities of real leader. Because me I want to. Me have the qualities. Me go around real leaders. See George Lazarus. You know, boy like Andrew Holness perfect, I'm not doing nothing wrong. Hey boy, go. Andrew Holness have some shit house boy in camp. When people want help, they help who warriors are get help. They not help somebody new. The burial ground out at Tedford, a municipal corporation, a Spanish town, run that. Waste batty boy. Government own municipal. You hear waste man? Funeral home. No bring pulley come and send down casket in a grave. They deport them when I come to Jamaica. When I live at Jamaica, them I get house to stay. And who down a country may least affect. And now them can't get house. Thinking yet scary a boy. But sex a girl and get a daughter no man. If you take care of you and change your pampers off of you. You see say shit up batty boy.